If you are looking for ways to reduce returns and increase your sales, you have arrived at the right place. Meesho presents Meesho 2 Pricing, a brand new feature that will allow you to lower your return rates by 50% and help you to reduce all costs associated with returned products. With Meesho 2 Pricing, you can now set two prices for your products on Meesho. In addition to the current Meesho price, you can now sell on an only wrong or defect item returns price option. Meesho price will include the higher price inclusive of the customer returns buffer or the normal price, which means that customers can return the product in all cases, no question asked. Wrong or defective return only price will be the lowered price option, in which the consumer can return the product if only a wrong, defective item has been delivered to a customer. And in order to claim the return, the customer will have to submit proof of defective issue, which will then be reviewed by our SX team. For example, Meesho price of a product is 100. Wrong or defective return will be around 90 to 95. With this feature, you can now 1. Lower returns and cost savings on return charges. 2. Get more orders. Lower price will attract more customers and hence more orders. 3. Bumper savings of Rs 120 on reverse shipping fee of each returned order. And you're all set. Get ready to increase your orders and lower your returns.